1, 2, 3, mic check. Check. Okay, and what about here? Cool. So this appears to be working. That's great. Cool. So, good morning. Welcome to this stream, which will begin right now, I think. Today we're going to work in DaVinci Resolve. We're going to be doing some work with 3D tracking. At least that's the idea. And I will just try to put some different music, something more calm. Yes, perfect. Okay, and here I am. Cool. Good morning, everyone. How you been doing? I will open my I'm not sure. Oh, here it is. I don't want to save this other one. And first of all, before we actually begin working, let's just take a dive into the forums of Blackmagic, the forums of Lift Gamma Gain, maybe also a little bit of Twitter, and let's see if there is something interesting in any of those media. Well, Blackmagic, as usual, has nothing to say about anything since December 21st, so there's nothing new about that. Yeah, some ads, obviously. What about Lift Gamma Gain? I'm not sure if this is like an old forum. Well, yes, it is. But there is not much going on here. Some news, but the last one is from January 1st. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's just like Happy New Year, and all the other stuff is from 2023. So, nope. What about Blackmagic? Forums. Getting started. What about the active topics? Export alpha. Can you export alpha in H.265? I didn't know that, to be honest. I've encountered an issue when exporting alpha using H.265 is rendered not fully as alpha. In Fusion, the background is read as fully transparent. Okay. After exporting, it reads as this. Okay, so slightly not transparent. I didn't know that you were able to export the alpha with H.265. That's a new one for me. Some things to note: I do not get this issue exporting ProRes. Well, of course not, because ProRes is meant for that. And I also do not get this issue exporting H.265 using that render in place feature. Might be some kind of precision issue coming from Luma Chroma storage. If you don't export with alpha, do the values change or... Okay, and they didn't reply. Well, H.265, I didn't know you could export H.265 with some alpha. Let's try that. Sounds interesting. So this is my timeline. Right now you are seeing it like this because this is from red and I transformed to linear. So now, well, I actually need to, okay, take it from linear sRGB linear, which I used for compositing reasons. I now need it to be changed to where is it? White gamut. Where is the Blackmagic white gamut? DaVinci white gamut. Intermediate. Thank you very much. And now we need to go from intermediate to sRGB, and there we go. This is for VFX IDT. Well, I'll just say that this is linear. This is white gamut. And this one is sRGB. So we can be organized. I will also try to lock these nodes. I don't want to make like any kind of changes. So if for some reason I try to modify this, that will not be affected. So that's perfect. I can still bypass them, but I will not accidentally ruin all of my workflow. Yeah, a little bit more of exposure and that's it. Cool. This shot is really cool actually. So what I was doing yesterday was a little bit of what am I doing here? What happened? Here I think I need, okay, let's, this is the red. I don't want to work strictly with red. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this as a still. Thank you very much. Go to timeline number 2. Here I have my EXR. Okay, perfect. I don't need this anymore. Cool. Here's my EXR. My color goes from sRGB linear to timeline, which is sRGB, I think. Let's see. 709. Yeah, I will need sRGB here. And my timeline, I will also say that it is sRGB. But what I'm going to do is here go from sRGB linear to white gamut, as I already did here. So apply grade. Let's see what's going on here. This is not red anymore, so I can delete this. sRGB linear to white gamut, perfect, and white gamut to linear, perfect. And this is just some exposure, cool. And now yeah, that's perfect. I also have my fusion clip, which I think I will do the exact same thing. Yeah, there. These two clips should look identical. There should not be any kind of change or shift in the color, gamma, etc. So this is working. Let's go into fusion. I have not done anything yet, which is perfect. Oh no, oh yeah, I already have a little bit of a mess here. What am I doing here? Let's try to figure this out. This is a camera. This is a merge. This is a camera tracker. Okay, this is just the tracking. I will not output the tracking here. My merge has to go into a renderer, which is this one. Oh, perfect. And this is my media output. Cool. Well, maybe I will output separately the elements from all the rest, but this is my shot so far. So I will also need to roto this girl because yeah, there's no workaround. I will need to roto her. So what I will do is apply some magic masks. Hopefully just one. This is not going to be part of my main workflow, so I will take this out of here. Just use this as an input. And now I can, I will select this one because I can actually see her here. Let's see what, okay, that's not that bad. I will try to, okay, I need my LUT here. This is going to be an OCO color space violet. So the reason I'm doing this is because this is linear. So I want to go from linear to sRGB. And that's it. I can also put like lots of gamma. I don't want, not right now. Pre-divide and post-multiply, I think it's not necessary for now. Okay, so where is my magic mask? Here it is. I will also need to select her arm. I have, oh my god, what am I going to do with the umbrella? I think that one will have to be a traditional roto work. Yep, there's no workaround there. I will leave the roto here. Yeah, that's perfect. I will select better. Okay, that's kind of better. And I will also maybe try to erode a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. I think her shoulder needs a little bit of, okay, cool. And cool. What about, okay, here I'm looking a little bit of, yeah, the erode tool. Okay, perfect. Okay, that's cool. So the main thing that I need here is just hair. The umbrella will have to be done traditional roto, unfortunately. So let's track this and let's see what happens. Right now it looks good enough. I think it is going to be okay. I'm not so worried about that part under her arm, but it could be a problem later. Yeah, this one is a little bit more difficult because she's getting smaller and smaller every frame at a time. Oh, no. Let's pause it there. Are you sure? Yes, I need to make a keyframe here. Cool. And now we go to the back. Oh, what are you doing? Why do you want to preserve that? I told you not to. Track reverse one frame. Why are you like that? This is not making any sense. Why? Let me... Okay, I will clear my cache. And yeah, the problem is here. I will delete current. I will add her here. That's perfect, actually, to be honest. So let's try this all over again. Let's do this. Even her earrings are looking good. It's just this issue under her arm, which can even be fixed with just an alpha. Luma mat. A Luma key is what I'm trying to say. Okay, cool. Let's stop this. I think it froze. Oh no, it didn't. Cool. Okay, so let's track backwards. Why? Why is that happening? I will just ignore it and fix it with another mask later. Maybe. Oh, it's because of the umbrella. That's why. It's getting so confused. Oh dear. I mean, it is not that bad. It is not that great. Okay? And now her feet are... No. Let's... Yes, I want to... This is exactly why it is still better nowadays to do some traditional roto instead of trying to rely on this kind of tools. I said I was not going to fix this, but it gets worse and worse and worse. Just a little bit, just a little bit. You have to be preserved. Cool. Yeah, kinda. I mean, even if I do it one frame at a time, it is still way faster than trying to do this by hand. Okay, so it's not a problem. Okay, I just need one. Okay. Come on. Why are you like that? No. I don't like to do that many strokes. Oh, no, it's getting worse. Please don't. Okay, I will try it once again, all over again. Okay, so I will keep it on faster. Where is it? Faster, here it is. Why? Just because I need... Where are your legs? Oh, here are they. I will not... Oh, how can I select? I want to select this one. Delete it. Cool. F. And once again. Okay, up. Cool. I will try to delete all of this. Okay, that's pretty good. If I put better, yeah, I mean it does. I'm not sure. Now I will keep her like that. I will try to track this like this. I mean, I can just blur out the edges in this case. Once again, it has no issues with a forward motion. Let's see how it does with the backwards. Yes. No problem. I mean, to be fair, it is way better than before. I don't mind that the hair is not perfect. Also this, I mean, yeah. I lost her shoulder and I didn't see where exactly. Oh my god, where? I lost her shoulder like way back. Like it was here, right? Yeah, so add her shoulder, much better. Track one frame, another frame. Okay, that looks totally fine, obviously. Let's recover it once again here. What did you do? No, that's too much. Well, yeah, it's enough. I just don't want this to disappear entirely, okay? Yeah, do whatever you want. I don't care. If I need to recover her shoulder, once again, roto. I mean, she's way back there, so hopefully it's not going to be noticeable. Oh no. What's that? Okay, so here it just starts falling apart, right? Oh, please don't. Okay, that's a little bit better. As long as we are not losing her head, like here. No, that's too much. Yeah, I understand why you're getting confused. Just be better, okay? No. Okay. Yeah, kinda. Okay, let's... No. No. Kinda. Yeah. Yeah, right there, it's not a fair fight because pixels are way too... We lost her head. How could you think that that's not part of her? Okay, cool. Cool, that one was... Oh, this is great. Why you were not working like this before? Okay, we lost like half of her head. Not that big of a deal, considering the distance she is from the camera. Okay, so are we okay with this? Let's see. Let's play back. I don't want to watch this playback, just this. Yeah, well, it could be better. I am not mad about this. Yeah, it's good enough. So we're going to cache this. And I'm even thinking about exporting this so we can have it as an alpha instead of just the mask. No, I'm going to cache this. Cache to disk, enable cache, pre-render. Let's... Oh, it's pretty fast. Cool. So in theory, we will not have to wait that much. And what I'm going to do here is to pipe this over this render. So when I play back this, she's all... What? Oh yes, she's always going to stay on top of all the CG. So right now the umbrella is not roto yet. I honestly don't want to do that, but I will. Yeah, it looks Interesting that the umbrella is always behind. Yeah, it looks cool. Looks really good. Her hair is vibrating like so much. I'm not sure if I can do something about that. Before caching, I should have done this. I will blur. Okay, like that much because it's better. A little bit of erode. Cool. This looks good. Let's see how this behaves. Oh yeah, that's I mean, maybe I should roto her head. Her head, and I mean, the hair is not like that crazy, so it should not be that big of a deal. Okay, so I'm going to start rotoing her head with Mocha, of course, because it will be much better and easier. And let's launch this. Whew. Okay, we are in linear. Yeah, I just need to mask. So what I'm going to do is do a color transform before. Do I have one here? No, I don't. Okay, so color space transform. Pipe this in here. We're going from sRGB linear to sRGB. Cool. So when I launch Mocha, this will look good. Great. Okay. So for this tracking, I'm going to first, I think what I'm going to do is first just track. I may just track another feature of her body, because if I track her face, I think she's like doing a little bit of this. So maybe if I track like her torso, well, no, I'm going to try the face and then we'll see. I just need the tracking information from here and then we're going to do the mask. Let's track this, like no problem. Of course, it is not going to track properly, but I don't care. Maybe if I move it here and keep tracking, yeah, that's going to be enough. Yeah, no worries. What if I go here and track backwards? I mean, the thing about this is that it's getting like really, really small. So it is harder to keep track of this. I think it did pretty well. Like pretty well. Like I could have even. Okay, that looks good. Stabilize. I'm going to stabilize all motion. Let's see how good this is. I mean, it's not perfect, but it is really good. Yeah, you can see that when we are, like, well, when she is getting away from the frame, the problem starts to arrive, but that's not a problem. Okay, so this is my tracking data. And we're going to create a new mask. This is going to stay, what am I doing? Track. Okay, I'm going to track. But I want to be transparent. I think it was just the tracking data. I want this to be my main frame. I'm doing good. Okay, so I think that there is a perspective change, which I was not considering. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out later. Okay, I'm going to make the mask around here. I'm not sure how am I going to, maybe I will just do like open splines. Could that be a good way of doing it? No, I'm not going to. This is a mistake. I'm going to. Yeah, that's good enough. Cool. I'm going to compress it just a little bit. Okay. That kinda should work, right? So what I'm going to do is attach this to my tracking data. This is going to be like main head. And let's see. Okay. Oh, that's, I mean, it's not perfect, of course, but it is way better than I expected. Way better. Cool. So what I'm going to do now is start doing some keyframe adjustments, right? So I will first go forwards. I mean, right here I can just like do this, maybe move the whole mask here and do a little bit of this. Great. Let's see. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, right here we have a perspective change, which may be challenging, but come on, let's just do it. Okay, first I'm going to move it right here. If it is perspective, I will have to move this, of course. Cool. Maybe around here. And this one has to be a little bit, yeah, that's good. I will just have to move, I think that all of this go here. I mean, the thing about Roto is that you have to move as many points as you can, so it is not that noticeable. Okay, I will move all of this a little bit to the. Okay, I think that's enough. And maybe these ones will have to move to the right. Cool. Oh, you have to move, my man. Oh, I lost this point. Where is it? Where? It is gliding a little bit. I will move it to here. Is that good enough? Yeah, it's good enough. Yeah, that looks kind of good. This is where the problems start to arrive, because I have some tracking data here, but not all the way here. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. Okay, so I will select all the points, of course. Let's put it, I think it should be around here. I think. Let's see. Kinda. Oh, okay, so I will have to put this here. Maybe change just this one. Oh, no. Stay right there. Okay. Before, okay, yeah, that should be good. I will need another keyframe. Maybe just do this. I mean, yeah, I know that the perspective changed like quite a bit, but could be done. I will need another keyframe here. Just this, I think. I hate doing this kind of changes because I always think that I'm just like messing up and everything is going to look horrible. But there's just only one way to actually find out, right? So, okay, right here, the mask should be like way back here, maybe. Oh, it worked. I cannot believe that. Okay, and right here, just go off screen. Cool. It's perfect. Well, it's not, but it's good enough. Okay, so this first part is already done. Let's go into... I mean, I could also use silhouette, but I don't remember how to use it, so that's a problem. Here it is doing fine. I mean, better than expected, to be honest. I will just put this here, right around, oh, not that. Right around here, and this one here. And up. Yep, maybe, is it? Yes, that's good. Okay. So this is doing well. I mean, even if it is not perfect, I just want this not to be terrible and not to be vibrating all the time. At least I want it to be consistent. That's my main objective here, to be honest. Not to be perfect, just to be consistent. I think this has to be right around here. Yep, better. Okay, where does it... here it starts gliding. So a little bit of a keyframe where it glides. Not really. Yeah, that's good enough. I mean, the pixels are getting crazier. Oh, maybe I should do this here. Yep, better. Yeah, here I will just adjust this a little bit up here. Yeah, now I understand why the magic mask didn't work. I mean, this is pretty difficult. Even for my eye, it is difficult to know exactly where she is in the frame. So I understand. No worries, magic mask. You've been good. You're not reliable, magic mask, but you've been good. Okay, cool. I'm crouching. I start doing this. Okay, I'm I really have to admit, I'm happier than expected. This was not a nightmare, which I actually expect this to be. Expected. I was expecting like a huge nightmare. Oh, no. But this is quite good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's like the main part of her hair. But the thing is that we also have like these other parts, which, to be honest, maybe I should have just used like the same mask and adjust it. Can I still do that? I won't. It will be a bit of a mess. I mean, I was not using it because we have like some hairs that are not. Yeah, but I will. Let's face it. It's not going to be. Okay, I want to see. Okay, here it is. Let's save this. Close. I actually want to know how this looks if I apply the matte. Okay, this is my whole frame. That's her face. Not with high quality. Okay. At least it is not vibrating as the magic mask. I already consider this a win. We have a little bit of problems there. I'm not sure if I actually care about that. Maybe I really don't. I will just feather this up, not that much. Come on. Alt. Okay. Module renders. I think this will work. And what I will try to do is like to combine. How can I? Because the magic mask has like a. Okay, I think I can combine them. So what about matte control, which goes here? What about this here? And what I'm going to do is to combine the alphas. Okay. Just add them. Add them? Why? What is... Oh, I don't want to apply the matte. But I want to... Yeah, this is not going to work. How can I mean, this has alpha information. Okay, this is just alpha, right? Okay, perfect. These two are the alphas. And right now, I want to add another matte control, maybe. With this RGB information and this alpha information. Can I do that? Okay. Okay. We're having some issues. Well, it is multiplying up. that doesn't look like a correct solution, but I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I'm still gonna take it. Okay, cool. So now that we have this, I can merge. Not this, but this. And I think that looks a little bit better. Just because the hair is not... Well, it is doing a little bit of a vibration, but... What if I... Yeah, this is from... Oh, that's my... No. Like, come on. Is it the feather? Yeah, it's the feather. I mean, there are like 2 little pixels here. Contract a little bit. Yeah, I will contract this just a little bit. Okay. Which one is doing this? It's the magic mask. Maybe I should just get rid of the head with the magic mask. I'm not sure if it is actually getting better or if it's getting worse. Okay, I think it works. A little bit of contract, a bit of blur, a bit of... Okay, and what if I do this? Oh, the hair is doing some funky stuff. Oh, never mind, it looks good. Okay, now we're going to do the umbrella. I have no idea how to do this. I will make another mocha. I don't want it to be in the exact same spot. So, mocha. Let's take this right here, and this is going to be piped in here. I will activate this node and launch mocha. Although we already have... Okay, what I'm going to do is copy this into here. And even if I'm going to use like the same information, I will delete... Well, I will just make it transparent. I don't want to see this. I'm going to use the same tracking data from the head, even though it is not the exact same. I mean, yeah, it's not going to be the same, but it's fairly enough. So what I'm going to do is take this and try to mask it. Like, how do you mask a transparent thing? Okay, maybe just go in here. Maybe it's here. Goes all the way here, here, and kind of expect the best. No, I'm going to correct that one. Okay, what I will try to do is to just adjust like the overall shape. I will not try to make this like that tight. I mean, it could be possible, but right now it's not worth it. Okay. Okay. Okay, So I'm going to use the same tracking data from the head. And yeah, of course the shape is not going to match like the whole way, but it is a pretty good reference. Yeah, okay, so now it's time to start keyframing. Where is, okay, here it is. I think it's here. What if I move this here and I scale yeah, this will not be enough. Okay, these points have to move in here. This is, yeah. This is about to get really ugly, really fast. Yeah, it doesn't match. Okay. Okay, so this motion is doing a job. Okay, maybe right here. I will try to rotate this a little bit. Put it right here. And of course it doesn't work. This one's gotta go here. This one's in... Oh, it is not going to work. Okay. I don't care about the others because they are already off screen, so no worries. But they have to translate good enough in here. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. No, it's kind of good. It's kind of good. Up, what's going on here? I will try to rotate from this point. So, oh, that's not a great idea. Okay, I will rotate the other points from here, hit W, try to do this. I mean, it's already pretty distorted, so yeah, let's hope for the best. Is this accurate? It kind of is, yeah. Okay. This glides a little bit, but it can be solved. It's just these ones over here, so get them up here. Yes, yes. Okay, these ones should maybe go here, and this one here. A little bit less, like much less. All of you, get up here. What about there? Okay. Let's get you right here. Okay. And now you are the one who is messing all this up. Okay, and right here and here. Yeah, right there. Oh, this is getting out of hand. It's just this one. Okay. Okay, this key is wrong. Okay, better. Yeah, much better. Cool. Oh, here is a bit of a misunderstanding. I have to maybe do this. Okay, not that much. Just in here. Just here. What is that? Oh, yes, it's kind of the thing that I needed. Okay, cool. That's perfect. It's not, but let's face it, it's as good as it gets for now. Okay, so now I need to do the rest of the shot. I will need to adjust this. Oh, from here. Like select all the points. W. From here. Okay, and then select these ones and try to do this. Cool. Yeah, this one has to be here. And this one has to be here. And this one has to be here. No, it's good enough. Okay. What about this movement? Oh, I missed. It glides before. Maybe here. Okay, that's... Oh, cool. That's great. Maybe... I mean, for some reason, this point is pretty accurate. Oh, yes, but this is not going to work. Yeah, right here. This will have to be like right up here. You have to go in here. You have to go in here. All of you move here. And you are really out of place, my man. Oh, that worked. I can't believe it. I was moving like very particular points, but it worked. Okay, maybe right here. So once again, select them all. Do a whole rotation. Yep, right there. Move this in here. Scale this up. Okay, not that much. You have to go here, no matter what. You are good in here. Maybe you go here. Okay, let's try this. It is gliding. No problem. I can just do this. It's not an issue. Yeah, it sticks perfectly. It just... Oh! Good enough. Yeah. Yeah, it's good enough. From this point, maybe? Am I... Okay, W. Okay. Try to do this. And maybe a little bit of this, because it is getting smaller and smaller as it goes further away from camera. Hologram effect, please. Do you have like an example? There are like many kind of holographic effects, I think. Oh no, this is not. What about here? It is. Maybe I can just move this one here. Will that be enough? Yes, it is. And you are not in place. Why are you like that? Come on. Oh, cool. There it is. Yes. Okay. Let's go backwards a little bit more. Okay. I will have to stop like every time that she is like in the top of the motion and in the bottom as well. Suggest best mic. Best mic for what? I mean, it depends on like huge amount of variables. Like for example, it is different to use a mic for studio work than a mic for live streams where you don't have like a place which is like properly like with the right acoustics. Oh my god, it is gliding here. Oh, okay. Here. I will stop here. For gaming videos. If you're doing like kind of YouTube recordings, there are like two types of microphones that I've seen that work pretty well. It will all depend on which one makes you feel more comfortable. Like for example, what? Okay, so for example, I prefer to use lav mics because I have the freedom to move my arms right around here, and I don't have like a big arm, a big boom arm here with the microphone. So I prefer lavaliers. So in that case, the ones from Rode like work pretty well. I mean, it doesn't have to be a Rode microphone. You can also use, there is another brand which is called like 7 Rims. The brand is spelled 7, the number 7, RYMS. I think it is from China. It is a pretty good lavalier. The Rode one is better, but for gaming videos, the 7 Rims is enough. That would be like my suggestion, to use a lavalier. It gives you freedom. And also just be careful with the settings of your recording setup. For example, I use OBS. OBS works great. And if you use like the built-in tools for noise reduction and compression, it's going to work perfectly fine. I mean, no one will know if it's like an expensive microphone or if it is a cheap one. And that's perfect. Why are you doing that? I know, I moved you. It is my fault. I understand. It is my fault. But still, it annoys me. Okay, good enough. Yeah, this. Okay, I will put a keyframe like way back here just to know where this should arrive. Yeah, this is messed up. This is my layer 3. Select. Okay. This goes right in here. Okay, we'll start from here. The thing that I don't like is that as the camera gets too far away from our subject, the points are starting to get very near each other. My channel is freeze. Please tell me how to solve it. Freeze? What do you mean? You mean like you have no subscribers or stuff like that? What do you mean freeze? Or do you mean like your videos get froze? Oh, that's a perfect motion to put a keyframe on. Perfect. I don't know why, but this keyframe is like the best. This one over here. It works perfectly every time. All the others start moving around, and that one is like very consistent. I like that consistency. Well, most of the time. Right here, it's all messed up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, cool. That good enough? I think my keyframe is very late. Maybe, yeah, all of you. Okay. This one, just a little bit there. Yeah, so right now, I now understand why my Magic Mask was having like very big trouble with this, because every single frame, it moves like just a single pixel, but the objects are so far away that it looks like really bad, really, really bad. What about you? I mean, it was way worse before, so I will not complain that much. Oh, it is vibrating all over here. This is not going to be good. No, 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 no. I will have to... How can I tell this to ignore the keyframes from the left side? Because this is from the tracking. And that vibrating stuff is going to ruin everything. Okay, I'll think about that later. Yeah. All of you. Okay. Oh my god. Come on. This umbrella is behaving much more worse than I expected. Not cool. Yeah, it's vibrating all over the place. I don't like that. I would either have to like correct that frame by frame, or I don't know what to do with this. I will have to figure that out later, some other time. W. There you go. That's better. Bit better. Okay. Oh no. Too much movement. Up. Up. Just you. Okay. I'm starting to give up. Yes. I mean, it will vibrate like so much. So right now, my main focus will be just to make it work, you know? I mean, it's not going to be perfect, like by any means. It won't be like that bad. Or maybe it will. Look at that. Oh no. Where are you? Oh, you have to go here. You have to go here. Well, that's not the main problem, but it's like part of it. I really don't know how roto artists are able to do this all day long, and not for this kind of shots, but for like actually complex ones. I really admire those people. All the compositing people, like, yeah, respect. Yes, I mean, it could be worse. It can always be worse. This is not that bad. This gets kind of bad. Like really, really bad. Why are you vibrating? Well, yeah, it's because of the tracking. We already established that. So, stop complaining. Maybe, yeah, here and here. Good enough. Ugh. I mean, I could try to adjust this by hand. I'm just afraid that it's going to be like much worse if I try to do so. Okay, no, okay. I will try to actually do it. So, right here, just do this. How can I play backwards? First frame, no. Next frame, okay, control right and left. Okay, cool. So control right, it's moving. Okay. I mean, at this point, it's not that it doesn't matter. The thing is that every single movement is like so dramatic. Yeah, I mean, it's every single movement is like less of a frame. So how do you deal with that? I will try to move this one here. Oh, also this one here. Okay, so this one. Oh, it's rotating, that's why. Okay, you. I will move just you, no one else. Okay, you have to go here, my man. I should also move the other one. Yeah. Oh my God. Why? Okay. One frame at a time. Well, no, 2 frames at a time. I really need to do this frame by frame, right? It moves like so horrible. Yeah, this is a lost cause. Oh, you too have to go up. Okay. It was my fault. I started to move. I got desperate and I started moving like, yes. Yes, of course I messed up. Okay, no worries. It can be fixed. Oh, okay. It's not that bad. This one. Okay. I thought I was moving keyframe by keyframe. What's the control down? Yeah. And control up. Oh yeah. Huh, this is weird. I mean, yeah, it's vibrating, but come on. It's all we have for now. Okay. Oh, these ones. These ones are like the last ones. Okay. Yeah, good enough, I think. Okay, so I think I'm done for now. It works. Okay, so the big problem here, among others, is that this umbrella is semi-transparent, which is already an issue. But we also have like non-transparent pieces, like all this structure is like solid. And what I will do, I don't care, because I think that what I should be doing is just like trying to rotate all of these lines like one by one, which I will not do. We have already spent more than an hour just doing this. So what I will do is just use this mask and set this to like 50% or 70%, and that's it. I don't care. Okay, so this is my umbrella. Cool. And now I'm going to save this, save that, and I'm going to stay here. This is my R umbrella, Roto umbrella. Cool. This is my Roto face. Well, Roto head, not face. And I want to, yes, that's my umbrella. That's one healthy floating umbrella. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll be back. Muchas gracias, Alfredo. What I was saying is that I'm not sure about the umbrella because if I get it back to 100%, you will not be able to see like the green, these parts. But if I start doing this, it looks kind of weird. Oh, it looks, does it look good enough? I think it does. Yeah, that's 80%. I think 80% is the way to go. And maybe this has like too much feather in it. Rot umbrella, it goes from 0 to 4, 5.7, let's say from 0 to 3. What about that? And also let's multiply. I should really study about multiplying because okay. Oh, I'm using blur here. Okay, I will not use blur here. I will expand this like a little bit. What am I doing? Why? I want to expand like the umbrella. Oh, this is a mat. Okay, what if I put this into the foreground? That's not good. Add, okay, add. Expand. It expands both of them. Okay. Yeah, that works. I mean, we don't have like the stick of the umbrella, but yeah, I will leave it at that. I don't like how the feet look. I really don't like how they look. That's because of the magic mask. I will try to track this all over again, but now I'm going to use the better one. I mean, it was giving me like a lot of issues, a lot of problems, but yeah, I hope this gets a little bit better. Okay, let's track this. And I will also have to set the cache again. This is getting much more complicated than I expected. And I think it is because the pixels are so tiny that it's very difficult for this to actually keep up with the mask. And it's not consistent. Like, come on, look at this. So even if the head gets like chopped off like the last time, we have no problems with that because, oh my god. Why do you do that? I will put like a garbage mat all over her face, head, because, or could that work? I mean, those are like speculars, so maybe those will work. We'll figure that out. Almost. 32 more frames to go. Three more frames. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see how what. Oh, yes, no. Okay, I understand. Yes. Yes. I mean, it looks better, I think. Oh no, we have to see it right here. Yeah, the shoes look very, very weird. That's because of the matte and the blur that it has. Oh, it's not a blur. Never mind. It's just the way the mask works. Yeah, once again, Magic Mask for color, it's like a real saver. But for compositing and VFX, it's not the best way to go. But we'll try to keep up. Okay, so I have such a mess in here. We'll have to clean this up. This is the roto. Should I just do this? Yes. These are my rotos. This is my 3D comp. Okay, this is my magic masks, matte controls. So I can actually merge at the end. Okay. Okay, this is my 3D comp. I will have to do this. This is going into the, okay, I understand. My camera tracker, I mean, it can go over there. And maybe I should, okay, I will set this arrange tools to grid and also orthogonal pipes. Thank you. Okay, so I will do this and that. Okay, and this goes in here, this goes in here. I will not, where is this going? Oh, to the matte control. Oh yes, that is like way back. I'm going to set this in here. Ah, it has two outputs. I'm just trying to get a little bit organized in here so I don't suffer that much. No, this one will go right in here. Okay, that's better, I think, at least for me. Okay, so this is my roto from the umbrella, from the head, a matte control to combine it with the result of the magic mask. I also have a matte control to combine, well, first just the head and then the whole umbrella. Then this matte control combines the source with the, yeah, with this, using it as a mask. I can, instead of a matte control, I can do like a merge, right? Like, oh, this is fine, this is fine. And now, okay, cool. So now the big problem is what to put inside this comp. I mean, I think that the worst part is already gone, so we can just be creative in here. So I already have like a 3D environment where I can put whatever I want. In theory, we're going to have to put that to the test. But I don't know what should we put. I mean, we can do like, yeah, we can do like some kind of matte painting. I really don't need this text, although I can put whatever I want behind here, so that's fun. Let's start with some, what could it be? Some fog maybe? Yeah, let's try that. I will hide this image plane, okay? And what I will do is set, this would have to go in here maybe? Okay, I will have to create like a depth map. Depth map, here it is, from here. Maybe this will go right about here. And this depth map, oh, it looks like horrible. Far limit, yes, over there. Near limit, yes, I think. Okay, let's see if this works, because we will have to be able, yes, to see this girl coming right through it. Okay, cool. Oh, that's perfect. At least better than I expected. And the thing is that what this will be allowing me to do is like put some fog. Maybe, what kind of fog do I have here? Media pool, not effects. I do not have fog. Oh, I do have fog. But is this 3D or is this 2D? Can I pipe this in up in here? What is this doing? How do I use the fog? Is there documentation about this? Yes, there is. The fog node is used to create simulated fog effects on 3D rendered images. Okay, so it is a 2D effect, right? It has to contain a valid C buffer channel. The fog can be placed in front or behind various elements. Okay, so my Z channel is this one. Fog. I need to see something. Is this alpha or is this just, no, this is just Luma. But can I convert this into an actual alpha channel? Oh yes, there's the alpha channel, cool. Yep. Okay, if I set this in here, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, the input. The orange input is the only required connection. It accepts a 2D image that includes a Z channel. The Z channel is used to determine the fog amount in different regions of the image. It has to come from a 3D renderer. Blur image. The green second image input connects an image that is used as the source of the fog. If no image is provided, the fog consists of a single color. Oh, okay. A noise map or some sort of connected. Okay. This is like the basic setup. Interesting. So I would need to pipe this from this here, but I'm not sure if this has transparency. C buffer fast. How can I know if this has actually a depth information? Let's go into the camera. Here it is. Settings, no, renderer, hardware renderer, accumulating effects, enable, depth of field. Cool. Is that enough? I mean, I don't want to. What's happening here? Why I'm not seeing? Oh, cool. Okay, here it is. But the thing is that my Z depth is not working like at all. The output channel is okay. The Z channel can be pulled from the renderer node on the 3D scene. You need to enable the Z output in the render node. Output channels. Oh! Thank you very much. You need to enable the Z output in the render node. Okay, cool. Okay. But how, I mean, let's go into the camera. I will not use the, where was it? I will not use the accumulative effects. If I don't have like my main image, accumulative effects will be for camera depth of field. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much. Now I need to, so it's not needed for the fog effect. Okay, cool. I mean, in theory it is working, but I don't see any kind of change. Even if the camera is actually moving, I don't. Okay, maybe I need to adjust like the Z plane, right? Maybe the far plane. Okay. Maybe this is it. The near plane and the far plane. Okay, I will try to do a fast noise. So it is helping me with this. I mean, it's not perfect, but I just want to see if it works. I mean, it does, although not the way I mean, it looks like very bad. And it is not like actually, okay. I will try to do something, maybe it is too much, but let's try this. What if I merge this in here, but with this in mind, effect mask? Is this too much? Okay, the C is right here, the map preview. The alpha, is it working or is it not? It is. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe I should do like invert it. Nope. What did I do? I did something wrong. I did something very, very wrong. Oh, okay, I'm seeing the alpha. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're talking. So, if everything is... She should be more visible. That's not terrible. That is not terrible. I will let this render just a little bit. And I will also play back in half resolution. Maybe quarter? That's some heavy stuff. Maybe I am making, I mean, this fog is really just my fast noise, right? This is not doing like that much. I don't see this working in a Z space. What I will do is try to lower these values much lower, so it doesn't move like that much. Okay, and now here, yeah, this is the one that is causing all my problems. Maybe it's the depth map. Yes, it is. I will try to, first of all, try to make this look better. I just want to look at the alpha. I will adjust like the far limit up. And also adjust the near limit. Yes. Okay, that's a little bit better. And more limit. Okay. Okay, let's see this. And I don't want to see the alpha. Okay, no. A little bit more. Yes, perfect. Cool. Cool. And now I'm going to render cache this to my disk. Pre-render. Maybe that will make this render much faster. I'm thinking about, do you remember the last presentation of Apple where they presented the iPhone 15 Pro Max? There is Apple Live. I mean, first of all, they made that presentation with the iPhone, which is already great. But, oh no, it wasn't that one. It was, which one was it? It was the one from October. It wasn't the one of the iPhone presentation. It was another one. I think those were, yeah, this one. Okay, so the thing about this presentation that I liked like so much was that it was like a spooky kind of thing, right? And I absolutely loved the look. I mean, this is great. Of course, they don't have fog in here, so this was all made in post. It was made at night, for sure. And the lights are like perfectly. But all of these things, all of that fog is just composited. And that's kind of the thing that I'm trying to do now. So I will need to make some more fog in the lower part of the composition. I don't know how to make that. This comp is amazing. I just love it. And yeah, this is actual fog for sure. Not this one. This one is not actual fog. I think this is like, or maybe it is. I mean, I don't care. But the thing is the aerial shots. This is the thing that I like so much. So that's what I'm actually trying to do now in here. Just in case you were curious. Oh, it hasn't been rendered yet. Just a little bit. That's a 3D fog node. You'll need the 3D world position from the render node and 3D cam as inputs to it. Okay. 3D world position from the render node and 3D camera. Also ensure that it's at least a 16-bit output. Okay, the 16-bit, I think it has to be from, where is it? Here, right? Okay, okay, 16. Yes. Okay, 16-bit. Oh, yes. 16-bit float. Oh, okay. 16-bit float. And now, well, this shot is with this merge, which I think you were saying I would need to from the render node and 3D camera as inputs to it. So my 3D camera, which is this one, should be also an input for the fog node. Like this? Oh, no. It has to be in here. This is the renderer for the current node. I'm lost. I'm quite lost. For the fog 3, oh, fog 3D. I don't, oh, I'm using a 2D fog node. Okay, okay, let's try this again. There are 3 fog nodes in Fusion. Okay. Okay, so this is a 3D, and you're saying that, wait. I want to fog F1, 3D, okay. Scene input. This is the actual merge. Okay, I have to input the scene right in here. Okay, so the, oh my god, okay, no, I thought I was seeing something else. And density texture, this option, no, okay, all good. Okay, this is the same as the merge, okay, so far. But I will need show fog in view, okay. What about, now I have to render this, a 3D renderer. So, okay. Okay, this is my fog. And what else am I seeing? The orthographic thing is killing me. I thought that I should be able, okay, I'm not. Okay. I mean, I am seeing the fog in here, but how can I actually, okay, essentially retextures the geometry in the scene by applying a color correction based on the object's distance from the camera. An optional density texture image can be used to apply variation to the correction. Okay. Scene input. Only one of which is required. Okay. Is the 3D scene on which the fog is projected. Oh. This optional green color input accepts 2D images. The color of the fog created by this node is multiplied by the pixels in this image. When creating the image for the density texture, keep in mind that the texture is effectively projected onto the scene from the camera. So if I connect this fast noise, will it work? It works. I mean, does it have to be animated or not? The thing is that I would also like to... I think that the density texture should be the one. Is there like a tutorial for this? I mean, there should be. Fusion Studio 3D Fog. No. Using 3D nodes. 3D Fog tutorial. Oh my god. Yes, there is. From Digital Vector Studios. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't look as good as I would expect. Let's see the final result. Yeah, the intro is the final result. And I don't like it. I mean, it's just, I mean, it is fog, but I want it to be like cloudy, you know? Yeah, maybe the fast, no. To be fair, I don't see the difference from this fog to the other one that we created before in 2D. I actually prefer this one. Kinda. I will do this. Yeah, I kinda prefer the 2D fog. Make black. Make black? Make bulk? I'm not sure what you're trying to say. Yeah, I prefer this one. How does it look here? That is the question. Oh, I am rendering the floor. Ground plane. I don't want to see you. Cool. I mean, it looks quite good. It's not perfect, but it looks quite good. I like the ambience. Right now, I'm not sure if I should try to make like the... Oh, we have to make like some replacement in the background because of the sky. Yeah, I have no idea what you're saying, my man. I mean, this looks good. It's just about the back, way back here. Not that red, a little bit less of red. Yes. And a little bit more of contrast. Well, okay. What are you saying? Command C. Let's go in here. Is this? Okay. Copy this and do that. Okay. A bit more contrast. Oh, that's too much. This is so slow. I will need to pre-render this because this is running like so slow. But it does work. I thought that I was going to do the color correction inside Fusion, but no, this is looking good. I do need to get do something about this thing in the back. I didn't expect to do some work all the way back here. But maybe I can just mask it in the color tab. Can I? I mean, if I do... I will just track a little portion, just like to prove my... Whoop! Stop. Like to prove my approach. Do this just for the tracking. Just forwards. Yeah, I have fog, so that will mess the tracking up for sure. Or not. Maybe I can just key out. Okay, that's enough. What if I connect this and I have to do this, right? And yes, do this. And I will do this. Yes, that's good. What if I select just the luminance? Up, Shift H. Okay. Without the mask? Oh, okay. Well, that's enough. About the hue, I don't want the greens. Everything but the greens. Okay, no, not doable. Maybe not the saturated parts. Yes, that works. Kind of works. High soften. Okay. And maybe low, but low soft. Oh my god, the saturation is killing me. I don't want... Okay. Is that... I'm confused. Okay, now I get it. Okay. What if I try to... That looks really good. I like it. What if I try to do a little bit of this? Not Shift H anymore. And we're going to... What? Why? Is it inverted? I want to lower the exposure. Oh, it's not working. Why it's not working? Huh. Okay, what if I try to do this then? No, kinda. Oh, not here, not in the light, but in here. Okay. Yes, maybe. Okay, but without this. And then no, it's too much. It's too much. What happened in here? I need to reset this node. Okay. See the light? You see the highlight? The light. Okay. But I want to change just. I want to see the background. Let's reset this and try to make this. But just in the lightest areas. Okay. Do some. Where's the blur? Blur radius? Like way too much. Yes. Not good enough. Not at all. What else can I do? The thing is that I don't like how. Oh, I can just change the highlights into an orange, right? A little bit of an orange, kind of. I will increase the saturation in here. A little bit of saturation, like overall here. This is way too red. Better. More saturation. Is it working? Oh yes, it does. And also in here, I will just adjust the light to be a little bit. It is not as I expected. Well, huh. It kind of works. But I don't like the way it looks. I mean, it is like gray and it should be more like actually black. But if I lower the exposure like that much, it will not do like that much to that region. That's why I was trying to do some kind of luma key. Oh, can I do a little bit of luma key? What if I, let's copy this, add the corrector in here, set this in here. Okay, let's try to contrast this image like way too much. Okay, exactly. That's what I want. And then I will try to pull up a luma key from here. like doing this exactly, and maybe soften this a little bit. Okay, and blur my radius. Okay, blur, but at the same time increase. Okay, cool. Okay, I think that's enough. And the thing here is that I will need to mask all of this. But maybe, just maybe, I can track it in another node in here. Oh my god, this is just like using Fusion. I should track this with the original clip, but I don't remember if I can just copy the tracking. Let's see. What I will do is just try to do a normal curve. Just do this in here. I will not worry about the borders. I just want this to be tracked. Okay, and also I will not track like the zoom or the perspective. Just pan, tilt, and rotation. That's it. I will do the other stuff later. Cool. So then change to frame. Keyframe this in here. This in here. And then once again, go here. Maybe I should try to expand this a little bit. Okay, now I really need to know if I can just copy this tracking into the another node. This is here and here. I'm not sure, to be honest. Okay, another serial. Try to paste. Is it pasted? Is it working? Oh yes, it works. Yes. Cool. So what if I do this? Do I have just the highlights? Yes, I do. Okay, so I can just pipe this in here. Okay, and what this will do is just, oh, it is what I wanted to do, but it's not that great, you know? I should increase the outer thingy, lower even the saturation. Okay, I think there is a previous step that I need to do in here, which is select all the greens and lower like the, where is it? Oh, there are not many. Okay, interesting. I will first try to not saturate them. What am I seeing? Okay. Okay, it is gray. The thing is that because all of the other stuff is very green, for my eyes it looks like kind of reddish, even a little bit of yellow. No, yellow, more than reddish, because of the blues around. That's such a weird effect. Yes, it is black and white, as a matter of fact. What else could we do? Maybe just key that out and put like, can I put like a solid? What's the name? Color generator. Can I just generate a black thingy? I mean, I can. It looks awful. What else? What else? How can I change that sky that is ruining me? Pretend that it is not there. Could that be an option? Like, for example, embracing it. Like, for example, some light rays, which will be like really golden. Okay, that's what I was talking about. I mean, a little bit more orange. Maybe not that saturated, but yeah. Around here, I think. Okay. Lower the position. A little bit more of threshold. And more length. More brightness, of course. I mean, it's going to be like very aesthetic, right? More saturation, please. What about there? Okay, and maybe just in display referred, I can just increase the contrast. I kind of like it. I mean, now that I'm looking at this, I don't have like many. Oh, there it is. Why am I not seeing them? Source region? Okay. My source region is light rays alone. Final image. Huh. Oh, maybe my source region should be this one? Is that illegal? Pipe this right in here and then compose just, okay. Okay, bear with me. Okay, cool, that's perfect. That's much better. Just the light rays alone, perfect. These are just my light rays, which look amazing. And what I'm going to do, this is already sRGB. So I'm going to custom mix this in here. This is the one on the bottom, the one on the top. This goes in here, this goes in there. And I need alpha mask. Yeah. Double blend. And this is going to be applied as a screen combine. I'm confused. Oh, here it is. Screen, thank you. Is this better? I think it is. A little bit less threshold. Less brightness, maybe. I want this to, I mean, I like it, but there's something that I don't like. I will change the kind of light rays. Maybe use another plugin. This should be like here, or about here. Okay, so what about what's in here from Sapphire? I love Sapphire effects. Blur and sharpen, builder, composite, distort, lighting, glint, edge rays, lens flares, S rays. What about this? What can we do in here? Light rays, of course, much more golden. I don't see them. Where's my center? No, no mocha. Load preset. What can, oh, here they are. Oh, yes, I already have. Why I cannot see them? Oh, because of this. Yes, that's perfect. More length. More red. More green. Less blue. Reverse ray? No. Rebrightness. Okay, now we're talking. Blue rays? No, no blur. I like them like that. Okay. Okay, maybe I can combine actually both. What if I custom mix? Let me see. This one, it's like very aggressive. I mean, I like it, but it could be better. I also need to track this. So what I will do is go into my tracker, track my effects. Where are you? Oh, effects overlay, here it is. I will try to track this in here. Will it work? No life. What am I doing? Oh, here it is. There you go. I just need like 2 points. That's more than enough. I mean, maybe just one actually. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it is working. It is tracking. I just need this to be faster, but it's okay. Oh, I already finished my tea. Did it stop? I think it stopped. Why? I mean, it is like really, really, really... Okay. Once again, I'm going to use my original EXR just for this tracking. Copy this, paste in here. Oh, not all of it, just this node, come on. Oh, there you go. And yeah, I'm going to track this all over again. Let's go. Much better. Wait. Oh, it loses the track. Okay, no problem. Reset this. Maybe move this like maybe in here. I think that would be enough. Cool, that's everything that I want. And now I can copy this. Is it from allocation? Is it? Is it working? Yeah, I mean, I think it's working. Let's copy this right in here. Okay, so now I just want this in here. I will move this way back here. Okay. And now when I do this, oh my god, it's too much. What did I do? Okay, I think it's because this one is it's not just this. What did I do? Let's try to... Okay. Okay, that's okay. I now understand what's happening. I was trying to comp the whole image. I just need the light rates alone. Cool. And now put some color. How much? Just a little bit. Maybe around there. Okay. And try to increase length. Soften, that's perfect. I will try them to be here. I mean, it's more just like a glow. So that's why I'm using this. I will do another custom mixer. So this one has this over here. Perfect. Can I want just to see the rays. What about some shimmer? Yes, shimmer frequency, that's perfect. What if I just see this in here? Yeah, that's perfect. And this goes in here. The thing is, I don't want, I want to combine. I'm not sure how to do this because I just want the rays from this one, but I cannot just look at the rays. What if I try to blend and my source? I'm trying to think. I mean, in theory, this will look really good. But how can I? Could I just set it right like here? Could I? And maybe, I mean, yeah, I think that works. That's better. It's more of a yellow, right? Okay. I think that works. What about this one? I need a little bit more of brightness. Yes. More soften. Yes. I think that works and I like it. I want to do, okay, let's organize this because this is such a mess. What do we have here? This is my transform, okay. This is just for some rays for the alphas. This is my actual race number 1, okay. Okay. This is just the alpha for the race. This, okay, is an sRGB. This is the end of my, what? Oh, this is not working at all. So, oh, this is not working as well. Is it? What is this doing? What am I doing here? This is a custom mixer. Okay, I understand that. What? There's nothing in here. Why is that changing? Oh, these are some, okay, these are the other rays. These are the S rays. I thought it was a custom mixer. My bad. Cool. Okay, so maybe I will just shift this to be a little bit more greenish, which I love. And I'm having problems with the greens. I don't like the green areas of those trees. What if I set this in here? Okay. How can I? There's the information there. No, there. No. This will have to be like sooner. What about maybe here, but there's not like enough color, I think. Okay, where's the desaturation? Here. Okay, so before, okay, I will take, yeah, these ones. Okay, perfect. Right into here. What about that? That's much better. Yes, love it. This was the problem. This was like too green, you know? Yeah, this has to be like more neutral. This works. This works perfectly. I love it. Okay, I will render this. Well, first I need to create a little bit more of rays. A little bit, not that much amount of blur, just, that's perfect. And to turn a little bit more affect alpha. No, rays from alpha. Oh, okay. Oh, rays from alpha, cool. I can put this in here, can I? Rays from alpha. Okay, that's perfect. Rays under source. I don't know. I'm not sure. Source opacity. Interesting. Background brightness. And use source chroma. Okay, interesting. What about blur? No. Length. Raise length. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, I don't like that one. The last thing is that I want to be centered with Mocha. Can I do that? Yeah, my center will be up. Center search area. What about this area? Up. Wait. It is not tracking. How do I track in here? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's wait for the best. It looks good, I think, at least. Why is this moving? Why is the center moving? If I put this in here, is that good? It moves kind of awkward. I will try to do it once again, but the search area will be in here. Let's try this. I just want no scale. Yeah, just translation. Oh, it's because of the smoke. It's because of the smoke. Okay, let's. I'm not sure what to do. Up. It then goes right in here. Okay, that's my fault. I will not save this. I will try to pipe this in from here. Oh, this has smoke too, of course. Okay, I'll do the same as I did earlier. I will select this other node, work with sRGB, do this, and then edit in Mocha. My center will be here. My search area will be this one. That's enough. And let's track this much better. That's much, much better. Great. That's great. Oh, I had all the transformations activated. What if I... No. Let's turn this off. Track this again. Why the center moves that much? Because there is an offset. There is an offset, of course. I just don't want to track something that is occluded, like not right now, to be honest. Okay, let's save this, close it. What's happening? Let's try to see. Center uses Mocha. Okay, looks much better, much, much better. Let's go in here. Okay, and paste my effect. Is it working? I think it is. It is working, yeah. Okay, but now I need to have like much more of this, a little bit less of blur. I need to tint. Is this too aggressive? Like, is it like too much? I think it is. Maybe. Oh, I'm having second thoughts about everything. I used to like it like 5 seconds ago, but right now I don't know if I like it. I mean, not sure, not sure. The brightness, right? I like it, but why do I have them? I just want them. Okay, that's good. I like them better here. Why is that? I think it's a combination. Yeah, it's a combo. I will try to make this a little bit more saturated. Is that it? Oh, less saturated. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. No, that's too green. A little bit more red. Okay, yes. Yeah, it's the way that it's blending with the whole image. The thing that I don't like that much. Like that much. I don't even need the rays. I was trying to use the light rays just to hide the fact that I don't like how the sky looks in the background. But I'm having second thoughts about it, so I'm not gonna use them. In theory, I should have some rays here, which I don't anymore. Why? Please tell me why. What happened? Oh, they are there. They are. They are just very, very soft. Okay, I understand. Okay. And a little bit more saturated, okay. Or yeah, maybe less or more subtle, more like a glow. What if I just put a glow instead of light rays? Could that be better? Let's global blend, go to, oh my god, soften length, soften length. Yeah, that looks better, but it's still just some light rays. I'll try to use the glow. What kind of glow? Of course, an S glow. And of course, it's going to be orange. Let's try that. Press hold. I just need this alpha. Thank you. Cool. A little bit more brightness. Less reddish. Less blue, maybe. More green. More red. Okay. And the threshold and the brightness. Is this working? This looks so weird. Oh, it's because of this. Oh my god. Okay, this alpha is like way too much. Way too much. Atmosphere amp. Yeah, that looks better. But I will need to. Oh! I didn't expect that. I like it. I really didn't expect that to happen, and I love it. That's because the fog is kind of mixing. Looks good. Maybe a little bit more red or more yellow. What am I looking for? This is blue. Oh yes, that looks amazing. I didn't expect that to happen. That is quite a happy accident. What was it? It was the which one was it? Brightness? No. Why did it change? Affect alpha. It's this one. No. I thought so. Grow from alpha? Kinda. I mean, looks good. Okay, I like that. A little bit less reddish, more, yes, orangey. Oh, yes, atmosphere amp. It was this one. Atmosphere amp. What about the frequency? Oh, nice. What about the detail? Yes, a little bit more detail. I mean, that's way too much detail. Too much frequency. I'm trying to find like the sweet spot for this effect. Okay. I'm starting to have, once again, second thoughts about this. I like it. Maybe I will just put a normal glow beneath. And a little bit more of gain. Why am I not seeing a single thing? Why? I'm not seeing the glow. Oh, there is a glow. Cool. Oh, yes, that looks good. More gain, more gamma. Cool. Some atmosphere. and then pipe this right in here and then go here. That's way too much, of course. Threshold, less. Okay, and now some atmosphere, some detail, more amp. Yeah, I think I like it. More threshold. Oh, that's way too much. I don't like it when it started looking like that. So that's better. Kinda. Think so. Okay. I think for now it's going to be, oh, what if I add just a little bit of race? I mean, not that bad. It's like a very apocalyptic kind of. The thing is that my rays are. I'm not sure about the rays. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. But it's going to be fine. So thank you very much for being here. I think for now it's going to be more than enough. Maybe I will try to re-render the whole. I didn't record it. Oh my god. Okay. I will try to re-render this sequence because it is quite slow right now, and it is playing like in a quarter resolution, I think. Yes, a quarter. I will not try. Well, I will try. Let's just. This is. Oh, it went. Oh my god. I was such dumb. This looks way better. Way, way better. I will render this. I love it. The light rays, yeah, looks great. So thank you very much. See you next. Today is Tuesday. I will see you next Thursday. So have a great one.